Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. We just hit 10,000 subscribers and now we are on the road to 20K. So with that being said, let's get into the video. It is Wednesday, February 17th, 2021. And I want to talk about another OTC stock, an over-the-counter stock, Gaxy Next Generation, ticker symbol GAXY. So I want to talk about GAXY first because it is a OTC stock, over-the-counter stock. And if you don't know what over-the-counter stock is, essentially an over-the-counter stock refers to the process of how securities are traded for companies not listed on a formal exchange. Securities that are traded over the counter are traded via a dealer network as opposed to on a centralized exchange. Companies with OTC shares may raise capital through a sale of the stock. So basically, GAXY or Gaxy Next Generation is not on Robinhood. You can buy this stock on like TD Ameritrade and other platforms like that, but again, not on Robinhood, just for you Robinhood investors. But a lot of OTC stocks have been trending as of late, and this is just one I wanted to talk about. Another one is HCMC, Health Choices Management, and I made a video on that. And a lot of people were asking to make a video on GAXY, so I am doing so. So Gaxy Next Generation is basically a provider of interactive learning technology solutions, and they allow the presenter and participant to engage in a fully collaborative instructional environment. So as you guys know, I'm pretty sure almost all the schools in the United States are fully online. So online learning and interactive learning technology is a must and is an incredible niche to be in. It's a niche that is very important, and it's a niche that I believe will continue to grow. I had a conversation with someone not too long ago, and we were talking about how maybe 10 years from now, going to a classroom will be obsolete. There's a good chance that might happen. Obviously, there's a lot of pros to going to a classroom, the social aspect, and obviously getting out of the house. But as far as education goes, I think we are moving to a virtual online education continually and permanently. So again, Gaxy, they have products that include Gaxy's own private label interactive touchscreen panel, as well as numerous other international and national branded peripheral and communication devices. Gaxy's distribution channel has 22 resellers across the United States who primarily sell Gaxy products within the commercial and educational market. However, Gaxy does not control where resellers focus on their resale efforts, although most of the resellers do focus on the K through 12 education market, and that's the largest customer base for Gaxy products that comprise over 90% of their sales. So if you just look at the products they have, look at this, for example, the Covey Shield or the Cove Shield, a clear barrier that provides safety, flexibility, and protection. Obviously, in the classroom, things like that are going to be needed moving forward. They are just really trying to create a safe environment in the classroom and in both interactive and virtual aspect, and also when you're actually in the classroom as well. So I think we're going to see a lot more of these things popping up as we move forward in the pandemic and just in life in general. I really do believe that technology and virtual learning and interactive just learning technology in general is on the way up, and I believe it will continue to stay like that. But Gaxy Next Generation, they did report yesterday second quarter and 6-month fiscal year 2021 results, and some actual pretty good news did come out of these results that they did announce, which I will just go over some key highlights from the last 6 months that ended in December. So revenue did increase 32% to $2.2 million, deferred revenue of $1 million, product gross margin of 50%, gross margin of 34%. Total assets increased to 5.6 million, backlog increased to 2 million. They hired a consultant to monitor operations and growth, now the COO, and they eliminated all convertible debt, right? So this is obviously awesome as far as the financials go. I think these are all positive signs and something that's very positive to hear for an OTC stock that is extremely cheap, 0.059 cents at the time of this video. Well, yeah, okay. So some other key business highlights that they announced in this report where they closed the acquisition of a classroom technology solution. They fulfilled a $1.5 million purchase order awarded Cove Shield contract for Diocese in Western Pennsylvania. They partnered with Mid-States Audio and Video for entrance into South Dakota, and so on and so forth. You can see a lot of things going on. They expanded to Australia. They added production and sales capabilities in Arizona. They hired 4 new full-time employees, added warehouses, sales offices in Jacksonville. So this is just a brief snapshot of the 6-month financials and business highlights. And I think by reading this, a lot of positive things are coming out of Gaxy next generation. Now, it will be obviously interesting to see what happens as they continue to build on the solid end of the year that they had and the beginning of this year that they have. But I think they are looking to grow another 32 to 40% in revenue growth through the first half of 2021 is what one of the spokespeople for Galaxy Next Generation has said. And they want to continue to execute their product and solution strategies to close on a purchase of other classroom technology solutions and other salespersons across the United States. So again, I do think this is a stock that could go crazy. Again, it's one of those OTC stocks and similar to HCMC, a stock that I feel like you can just load up on, maybe like a quarter or 1/6 of the money you're willing to invest. Load it up on GAXY, just set it aside and forget about it almost because it is so cheap. You can, load up on a good amount of shares where if this stock maybe hits 20 cents, you can make a significant amount of money. So again, just wanted to make this video on GAXY. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any of this stock. Again, not able to buy it on Robinhood because it is OTC stock. Let me know where you guys are buying this. I know there are some other platforms that you are able to buy this. A lot of people are looking to buy OTC stocks at the moment. So again, let me know in the comments below if you guys have any GAXY, Galaxy Next Generation, sitting at 0.06 right now, guys. If we look at the chart, this is a stock that has gone up kind of up and down, but it was down here around 0.006 around December and has really climbed and popped off to right here. So even right here, I feel like a lot of people have made some good money loading up on this stock. But again, OTC stock, let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about GAXY. As always, have a good day.